Hi everyone, it's Nelda. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me today. Happy Independence Day, happy 4th of July to my friends and to all my subscribers in the United States. I hope that you are having fun out there. Sorry for this late upload. I promised to do a tutorial on making a folio using my 4th of July digital kit. And I did record the whole process, but it didn't save. Unfortunately, I didn't know until the very end. So since I cannot redo it, I will show you how to make the cover. And you can use your paper or any paper pad that you have there at home. This is an easy project, and you can fill your folio with pictures, goodies, and ephemera or tags based on your chosen theme. This folio is perfect for Happy Mail as an additional to your junk journals or to store your tags and ephemera. For this project, I used my Festive 4th of July digital kit, which is available in my Etsy shop. And this kit has 32 PDF sheets, 14 pages of patriotic themes, and each page is filled with red, white, and blue colors, stars, stripes, and more. Pages of embellishments, so these are fun elements such as hats, stars, sparklers, ribbons, and more to add festive flair to your projects. And then there's page for sentiments, phrases like 4th of July, Happy 4th of July, and other patriotic expressions. And 144 fun coupons. So there's free barbecue meals, free sparkler, free ice cream coupons, just to bring extra joy to your celebration. So I used most of these to this project. And for the cover, I used cardstock as my base, and this is the normal 60-pound cardstock. Take your first cardstock, score at 5 1/4 inches, and then flip it and score the other side at 5 1/4 inches, and this will create your 1/2 inch binding or spine. And just fold it and use your bone folder, and this is your spine. To create the flap that opens on your left side and right side, take your other cardstock and then do another scoring, which is 1/4 inch, to create a hinge. And then cut that one side of the paper because you don't need that. And you can save this paper for your tags. And so this is what you need, and you just simply fold the crease line just like that, and this will create your 1/4 inch hinge, and this will be attached to your base. You can use your glue or your double-sided tape to attach it, and this will open and close, and this will be your flap. I used a double-sided tape to create mine. Okay, and then you will do that on the other side as well. So this is what I have, and I will attach it again using my double-sided tape. And so this is how I did the cover. Just like that. Okay, so this is my 4th of July folio, and I have plenty of journaling cards which have blank backs, so there's just plenty of space to journal on. And I have great sentiments here as well, and the cover is decorated with my Festive 4th of July kit. So this is a photo mat, so great to put pictures here. And the pages have tucks and pockets that are very simple to use, so just decorate it with however style you want and add your tags and pictures. And this is so fun to create, very easy, and it doesn't take much time. Once you have the cover, then it's easy to play around with your papers. I have a booklet here too, and more tags. Okay, so I will continue to show what I have here, and I hope that you create something like this and give this away as gift or a happy mail, or just to store your tags and ephemera. This is a fun, easy project. There you go, everyone. This is my project share today. I hope that you like this video and simple tutorial, and I hope that you create something like this and give this a try. It's fun, it's easy, and this folio is just great as a happy mail or just an addition to, again, your junk journaling and as a storage for your tags and ephemera. Let me know what you think, and if you have a project like this, I hope that you share it with us. And again, thank you so much for tuning in and for supporting my work. God bless you and happy Independence Day. Bye now. Till next time.